Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday 20th of July. And alrighty, what an amazing green candle we are having. Now from yesterday's update, I've pretty much told you, even on the Discord, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. And very quickly off the bat, guys, I want you to take this trading course if you want to learn trading the way I'm doing, the technical analysis I'm doing. If you like how I am, doing all of this stuff, you do check out this trading course. And if you want to pay and get a discount, message me on the Discord and you're gonna get this course for $20 off, for $29 by paying with cryptocurrency. Now let's dive back into the chart. And at the moment, guys, this was what was on my yesterday's update, that Bitcoin is looking to go to $24,000. Okay, but the real question comes in: is it actually gonna stop at 24,000 and dump to the downside, as many people are saying? Well, the answer to that seems to me that no. Okay, 24,000 perhaps is not the place that Bitcoin is interested to stop. Instead, what I look for Bitcoin is actually Bitcoin making its way all the way up here to this level, nearly $29,000 or $28,000. And there are only two reasons that make sense for Bitcoin to go to $28,000. It's not pretty much confirmed, of course, but if you're in a profit, I would suggest taking I'm actually going to give you three reasons why I think Bitcoin can actually make it up here to this level right over there before actually maybe getting rejected and then moving to the downside. And if you do actually cross this level, there's a good chance that you might be putting in a very big left shoulder ahead, and you might be coming up here to make the right shoulder. Do you see that? So if you make an inverse head and shoulder, then boom, you continue all the way back to $44,000, $42,000, and this will be your bottom. That will be your bottom, and you're not going to see Bitcoin moving down anytime soon, because it will be making a lot of amazing continuation to the upside. And as far as I do see altcoins as well, there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin. Okay, there's a lot of things, but keep in mind, we are not out of the woods just yet. Okay, so don't get excited just quickly. This is just a scenario that I'm explaining. Okay, so three reasons why. Okay, reason number one is how altcoins have technical targets to the upside. Okay, I want to show you SHIB, and I want to show you actually so many altcoins at the moment that are showing the power and the willingness to move higher. So SHIB has already that inverse head and shoulder printed out, and it's looking to make its way all the way up here. So listen, if the technical target of SHIB is up here at the 1796, okay, and Bitcoin right now is already at nearly 24k, let's just say $23,800. Come on, just round it off and say it's already 24. Okay, so you still have 40-50% of movement left for SHIB to move higher. Okay, how the hell is it gonna go high if Bitcoin is about to dump at $24,000? Okay, this is how you actually combine different, you just get that sentiment from different altcoins that what Bitcoin can actually do, because it doesn't make sense for Bitcoin to drop at $24,000 when you have technical target and you're just breaking out. Altcoins are literally breaking out right now. Okay, let me show you Glamour, which I actually made a fake out and moved to the upside. I used this so many times as a bearish example, but it actually made a fake out, went to the downside and went up. Okay, Glamour has maybe a technical target to actually now come up to the 9037. Okay, they have literally just started pumping. How does it even make sense for Bitcoin to go to 24,000 and go all the way down suddenly? Can it do that? It can do that. It can do that. Definitely can do that. But it just doesn't make sense. Logically, it doesn't make sense. Okay, what else can I tell you? Luna Classic. Okay, Luna Classic just started to raise up. I just made a video update on Luna Classic with an inverse head and shoulder, and we're looking for a technical target for Luna Classic to come up to this level. Okay, and from that place you're going to see maybe Luna Classic make a cup and handle, and then boom, move up to those levels as well, make like 2, 3, 4x to the upside. Okay, so how the hell is Bitcoin really going to drop at $24,000? I highly doubt if it's going to do that. So reason number one is actually out of the way, and let's dive into the reason number two. Why is it going to actually move higher than $25,000? Well, if I actually turn on the EMA, we are on the verge of, you know, number one, the only reason it can go down is maybe get rejected at 55 EMA, but keep in mind that it is bound to cross the 55, because you see, EMA trading is not everything that you need. At the moment, you actually cross this bottom here. Okay, this is the bottom I've been talking about for the previous month, one whole damn month. Okay, and now if you take the top to the bottom right there, the technical target is still pending for Bitcoin, and you're looking for Bitcoin to actually come up to this price level, maybe $26,000. Okay, $26,202, which means that it's going to cross the 55 and maybe then come down to 24,000 and even make a bullish cross. Okay, so 55, the 10 and the 20, they cross, they make a bullish cross, and Bitcoin actually starts to move higher on a daily time frame. So that is actually reason number 2. Okay, reason number 3, that why Bitcoin can actually come up to this level at the moment. Okay, why it's going to come up here and potentially even break it to make that inverse head and shoulder and complete to go to the upside. So I'm going to actually remove all the EMAs. Now remember one thing, I like to go logically. I just like to flip when the market flips. Okay, this one here was a huge suspense. 1 2 3 4 5, boom boom, sideways movement. Did it break down? It never break down to go down, even though I was looking for the prices to go down. Okay, the thing is that it broke out, it went for the retest, it's successful, it's looking to go up here to 25k. But let's actually dive into the reason number 3. So I'm going to shift into the weekly time frame, all right, and show you the weekly time frame as well. So from the weekly time frame, let's bring in a trend line. So something like this, okay, something just like that, right? So I'm actually going to extend this line as well, this resistance up at $29,000. And what I want to say is that, you know, if you do take some few days to actually, you know, make the movement, sorry, this one actually took a long area, and this is meant to be like this, something very very similar to this one right there. Oh no, actually it's something like this, boom, on the weekly, sorry, my bad. So here we are. If on the weekly you had one touch right over there, okay, and one touch right over here, there's a good chance that you're looking for Bitcoin to actually make its sideways weekly movement like this, and maybe come up to that level and make one touch right over there, and that's where you do have your own damn resistance at the moment. And actually, if you don't take that much of a long time to move sideways and go higher, if you just get bullish, one green candle, another green candle, another green candle, then Bitcoin might be on the verge to come up here to $33,000, breaking out the, you know, this level, and then come down and consolidate like this, you know, creating that right shoulder. You have the left shoulder, you have the head, you have the right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, break it out, back test, and then boom. Not only do you break out of an inverse head and shoulder, but you also break out of a big resistance right there. So what if you do make the inverse head and shoulder in the future? It's not something confirmed, keep that in mind. It's just my own opinion and my own prediction and future, you know, futuristic imagination. So left shoulder, the head, you come up here, consolidate sideways, move sideways again, print the right shoulder. Okay, so the technical target of that inverse head and shoulder is actually going to be from the top here to the bottom, and the neckline is going to take you up here from there to there. You're looking for a $56,000 Bitcoin in the future. Can it happen? It definitely can happen, right? This is Bitcoin. We're talking about Bitcoin by the end of the day, right? The one that actually likes to, you know, rub it on haters' face and just move up when everybody else doesn't expect it to move up. So yep, it's cryptocurrency by the end of the day, but at the moment this is something that is very very interesting to watch if it's going to play out or not. At the moment, here's your technical target, right? So $24,600 is your technical target, but I highly doubt it's gonna drop from here. It's actually supposed to move even way more higher. That's what I see. Maybe 26, 27, and come up to even 29k, and actually try to break this level as well. And that's it for today's update on Bitcoin. If you want to learn more from my own trading analysis, okay, you can check this 18 hours of contents. Again, if you want to pay with 29 bucks for using crypto, join the Discord and message me, and I'm going to give you a discount code. And that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.